So, as most of you guys know, the International Reform Conference was in Detroit in November, and Jasmine flew in here. Me and her stayed in a hotel and we went to the conference together and we had a blast. While reform is happening, we want to keep eyes off of it and it's very private. It's really top secret. So when reform's going on, we really don't talk about it while it's happening until it's over. We don't need troll protesters outside. It was 3 straight days of conferences. And there was no possible way we could have attended them all because there was like 7 or 8 different conferences going on at the exact same time, and you had to pick one that was most relevant to what your outreach team or whatever you're trying to accomplish. For instance, there was a time where Jasmine wanted to attend one conference and I wanted to attend the other one, so we parted ways for that hour and a half, 2 hours. One of those hour and a half long conferences was basically how to address people who use substances on social media, which that I want to cover more in depth on a different video. Anyways, I just kind of wanted to talk about reform. I had a blast. I know Jasmine had a blast. We finally got to meet a bunch of people from all over the United States that we've been talking to on social media for a very long time and finally got to meet. We went to one of these after parties. It wasn't really a party, but it was an after party. And we all met up and I met Sarah Laurel from Savage Sisters, and it was funny because me, her, and Jasmine were like kind of standing off to the sides by the bathroom. It was really chaotic in there. And this guy comes out of the bathroom and turns around and sees Sarah, and he's like, "Oh my God, you're famous." He talked to Sarah for a minute, and then he turned around and he's like, "Oh, you're famous too." And then looked at Jasmine and was like, "Oh." I thought it was funny. Jasmine thought it was funny. It made Sarah laugh. We were all gravy. Then the next day, I ended up buying these before they were all gone, and Jasmine got some too. I can't think of the seller right now, but it's on Etsy, and Jasmine has the correct seller somewhere. This was my reform badge. Then I got this pin when I was there. So-called harm reduction. New Jersey Harm Reduction Coalition gave me an overdose reversal kit, which actually I'm probably going to use. I got a fan from Remedy Alliance. Then Points of Distribution gave me a package. StopTheDrugWar.org, National Harm Reduction Coalition, I Heart Harm Reduction, Pika-Shoot, Naloxone, Points of Distribution, Opioid Data Lab, Nitazene Test Strips, Science and Service, opioiddata.org, Public Health is Public Safety, dream.org, Metatomidine Test Strips. And I got this, Harm Reduction Saves Lives, and it's got the rainbow on the back. Then the day before reform, I went to this conference. I don't know who gave me the damn coloring book, but I love it. The Opioid Data Lab did. They gave me a coloring book. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna check off of here, and I hope everybody has a good day. And remember, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it.